welcome back to my channel. This is Mama and her home. To those of you who are new, let me just do a little intro. My name is Mandy. I'm a mom of two beautiful girls, 6 and 3. Undalo is 6, Hlelo is 3. A working full-time working mom, a wife. Yes guys, I do a lot of homemaking videos. Hope you do enjoy your stay here. I really want to say thank you so much for joining me, for being part of this family. To those of you guys who've been continuously supporting me, I just want to say thank you so much for your continuous support. You guys are amazing. Love you. So guys, in today's video I'm doing a meal prep which was suggested by one of you, but I did not do a step-by-step and it's already late, so I just wanted to quickly do this video and then continue with the dishes. Yes guys, I've listened to you, and yes, I'm here to deliver. But if you do want me to make that long video, I will do it, as long as you promise to watch from the beginning to the end. Yes, so that you won't get bored. That is why I did the shorter one. But yeah guys, let me just show you what we will eat for the week or 3 weeks. It depends, because sometimes when we've made upoto, when we've best cook upoto, we normally use it with amas when we're normally tired. And guys, with school going back with 100% capacity, I need a plan in hand. So guys, on this side we have I made steamed bread the old style way, where I just boil it with 2 pots. It has carrots inside. This is a steamed bread, and then here on this side I have macaroni for Princess Dolls, because she doesn't eat some of the things, with meatballs, and then I put some cheese inside. And then here is the mashed potatoes with parsley. I put parsley in most of the things here. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. And then with this rice, it has turmeric, lentils, yeah, just to taste the rice with turmeric and lentils. And then here it's my potato wedges, yes. And then on this side we have butternut, and then it's my beetroot there with Mrs. Ball chutney, pork and chicken at the back. So as you have seen guys, the meals that I've prepared are not costly. They're on a budget. If you also want to do the same thing, you can do it. You can DM me at on my Instagram account at Mandy Tabekulu, and ask me if you're interested on doing it for your family as well. If you are a mom who is working, who doesn't have much time to cook every day, to prepare meals every day. And another, I'm still cooking 3 more pots. One has the chicken gizzard with the relish or tomato stew, if you may call it, and then another one is just chicken stew, and then the traditional beans, the brown one, which I'm going to put ground beef mince inside. So it's 3 pots. I'm going to divide them into 2, which makes it 6 meals, which it makes it 6 days. So that is in the stove for now. The reason why I didn't include it here is because of the space, and that it's not cooked, or it's not cooked as yet. I'm still busy with that one. And another thing guys that I wanted to mention is that it's not easy to freeze all the meals. Maybe you might have a solution for that. Maybe or you might have done that before and you know how to freeze most of these meals. But as for me, I cannot freeze some of the things, like your rice. It's not easy to freeze rice, because when it comes out to the freezer, it always has water and we cannot enjoy it. Another thing is mashed potato. We cannot freeze mashed potato, but not do the sides. I cannot freeze the sides, let me just say that. And then the spaghetti or macaroni as well, it's always comes so soft, as if like it's a porridge some sort of. So I've stopped freezing that. I'm learning as I go, because I'm trying to do what works for me, not what works for someone else. That is why I'm sharing this. It's what I've experienced before. It's what I've seen with the meal preparation that I've done. I started this meal preparation October last year, and it's working so well for us because it saves electricity, it saves me so much time, it helps me to spend most of the time with the girls, with my family, and to concentrate more on other things than just cooking every day when I come back from work. So that was not working for me, which is why I implemented this solution, which is working perfectly for me. Yes guys, about the freezing part is, well, I think I'll show that if you guys are interested in me cook show, like being with you in the kitchen cooking everything from scratch, because it's a long process. I boiled, if you know traditional beans, they take forever to cook. Beetroot takes forever to cook. So I only have few pots, I only have one oven, and one plate stove is not working. So it's always a struggle, it always takes forever for me to cook. I woke up at 6:30, and now it's something to 3:15. I'm still not done, but I can see where it goes now. Just do the dishes and then wait for these meals to cool down, then I can pack them in the fridge, those that's suitable for that. And then yeah, we are good to go for about 3 weeks or something. I'm not quite too sure, because in some of the days we eat amasi. We do have uputu. We cook uputu for like 3 days or 2 days, and then we eat amasi. Some of you guys call it inkomazi, but we call it amasi because it's not the one we have, is not inkomazi. We have Crystal Valley from Checkers, so that's what we eat in some of the days, which is uputu namasu, when we just like lazing around. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your continuous support guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. If you want to engage with me on a personal level, please kindly follow me on my Instagram account at Mendy Tabekulu, and then we can engage there, we can communicate there. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on my next upload, of which is something that I'm a bit excited about, because I don't know how to tell for now, but yeah, it's going to make so much change. I'm spending so much time in my kitchen. Maybe you've noticed, maybe you're bored that I'm spending so much time in one area, which is why I think I should make a few changes in the kitchen. Yes, because this is where I spend most of my time. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on my next video. If you have any questions regarding my batch cooking, do comment down below and tell me if it's something you're considering, or you'll never do it. You just want, like, I can't say fresh food, because this is fresh at all times. When we defrost it, it's always fresh. So I don't know, maybe you prefer to cook every day. I don't know guys. Thank you so much. I'm just sharing with you what works for Mama and her home. Thank you guys so much. Bye.